guys, today I'm going to show you all my cubes. Do you know what is a cube? A cube is a thing like it's thing like square like box, but not that. I'm going to show you my Rubik's cube. So this is 2 by 2 and this is 3 by 3 and this is square cube and this is square cube 3 by 3 and this is a square cube, then this is a square cube, and then this is a square cube, and this is the 4 by 4, this is 5 by 5, this is ball cube, this is pyramix, this is mega mix, and that's it. This is 2 by 2. This is how you have to play. This is 3 by 3. This is how you have to play. This is mirror 2 by 2. This is how you have to play. Then this is square cube. This is how you have to play. Then this is square cube. This is how you have to play. Then this is square cube. This is how you have to play. Then this is a ball cube. This is how you have to play. Then this is a mirror cube. It's a 3 by 3. See? Then this is 4 by 4. This is how you have to play. Then this is 5 by 5. This is how you have to play. Then this is pyramix. This is how you have to play. You could twist corners. Then this is mega mix. This is how you have to play. And that's all. Thanks guys Hope you enjoyed the video. Um, um, if you like it, if you give a thumbs up to this video, you subscribe. Bye.